Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vega Quick. Vega Quick is a powerful tool designed to streamline your data visualization process. It helps you transform complex datasets into clear, insightful charts and graphs with remarkable speed. We'll cover its core functionalities and show you how to get started quickly, making data analysis more accessible and efficient for everyone. Getting started with Vega Quick is incredibly straightforward. First, download the application from the official website. Next, follow the on-screen prompts for a quick installation, which typically takes less than 2 minutes. Finally, open the application and connect your preferred data source, whether it's a CSV file or a database, to begin your visualization journey. Now, let's dive into creating your first visualization. Vega Quick's intuitive interface allows you to simply drag and drop your data fields onto the canvas. You can then select from a wide array of chart types, like bar charts, line graphs, or scatter plots, to best represent your information. Adjusting colors, labels, and axes is also very easy, giving you full control over your visual output. For those looking to go beyond the basics, Vega Quick offers robust advanced customization options. You can apply custom themes to match your brand's aesthetic or create entirely new ones. Explore advanced filtering and aggregation techniques to uncover deeper insights. When you're ready, export your polished visualizations in high-resolution images or interactive web formats, ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.